Hello, and welcome to Leon's Lock Pod, and welcome to Challenge Lock Wednesday. We're going to do a challenge lock, not done one for a while, well, for a week, and we're going to have a go at one of Vic's picks, number 3. I've got a couple of Vic's locks left, and I found another one, so I thought we'd give it a go. It works super smooth. There's the bitting, some very nice bitting there. No name, just called Vic's Picks number 3. But before we do, if you're interested in lock sport, you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk, which is UKLS. Or you can find me on Discord, Extraordinary League of Pickers, and you can find me on Lock Sport Anonymous, which is on Facebook, and on LockTube, which is on Facebook as well. Just getting a mouthful of these now. And if you like some of my channel, you want to see some more, hit that subscribe button, that bell icon. As made 2-3 videos a week, from picking locks to challenge locks to lock tutorials to all type of lock stuff related, really. Finally today, I got Mr. Bosnian Bill's parcel sent off. Where's picks, mates, my friend? Your parcel is also in the post. Hopefully start catching up with some of these parcels I've been sending out and get them sent off. I do apologise for the massive delay. It's just been very, very struggling last couple of months. Right, we're going to use a homemade tension wrench for this. Always use this one for the top of the keyway, and we're going to have a go at using Wes picks. Beautiful pick that he sent me. Top of the keyway. Hope everybody's doing well today. Ooh. Very sharp click at the back. Oh, and a bit of little turn of the cut. By the way, I've not picked this. I've had a little mess with it, but I've not opened it. It's one of his new challenge locks, so everything's fresh. So everything's going to be very, very sharp. Oh, I'll click on. Oh, another turn of the core. Not finding any counter. Oh, getting some now. Well, is it going to be an overset? Well, I think I overset something, but I didn't. No, I don't think I. Oh, don't think I overset it enough. Oh, we've got a big turn at the core there. We've got a nice deep fault set. No, I think I'm just turning the core there and and nearly reset myself. Oh, got a little bit more of a turn there. Definitely getting some counter off. I think it's pin 5 and 1. Oh, got that fault set back again. Click off 1. Oh, another click off 2. Definitely got some nice sharp serrations in this. Right, we've got a nice false set back again. I'm just feeling for each pin now for some type of counter. Getting some. Really sharp click then. Got another fault set back again. No. Oh, we're open. There we go, number 2. Wow, that's giving me thumbnache, that one. Oh, that was really nice. Not picked a lock in a while. That's feedback as good as that. That was really sweet. Right, he's done me a massive favour as well. Oh, anybody favour who's going to pick this lock, he's put grub screws in the top, make it a bit easier to gut. I'm going to bring out my favourite pinning tray. I've not used this one for a while. So what we'll do is we'll start off at the back. So it's number 5. Do you know what? It would be helpful if I actually got my tweezer kit out. Wouldn't it? There's a screw. There's our pin, and there's our, it's like a spool. Let's get them all out. Yeah, I got you. There is a double spool in that one. That is very interesting. It has used a spool as a key pin. Now I can make key pin spools, but this is actual spool. That's a key pin, not the other way around. Very cool. Vic, my friend. Right, let's take this one out. What's that? Is that a standard? Yeah, we've got a standard in 3. We need to persuade this one. Bit of spring damage on the top there and at the bottom. Vic, my friend, if it was supposed to be like that, let me know, and if it wasn't, let me know and I'll put you another spring in there, mate. Another spool in 2. And finally in 1. We have another spool that's just running off. That's that sharp spool. That guarantee there's threading. There's got to be some type of threading in 1 and that. There's the spring. We have, no, can't tell through that way because it's already got threading in there through the grub screws. Let me put the key in this. I'm just pause because it's too many. There we go, we got it off. So, up is the bottom cap to the lock. So we have got, 1 minute. So I can hear my daughter in the background and a little bad temper because she's getting changed. We've got nothing in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yeah, there's no threading in there. I'm surprised because it really did feel like there was some type of threading with the sharp cuts. But yeah, let's check out these pins. Absolute awesome work. Fantastic pick, Vic, my friend. Let me know with this spring and I'll put you a new one in. If it's supposed to be like that, I'll just leave it. But awesome pick, great fun. I totally enjoyed that. Great feedback. So, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye. Don't forget to like.